These moving bags come in very handy on moving day. They're great for packing up and moving just about anything, but especially fabric like clothing or bedding, pillows, towels, that kind of thing. They have really strong straps that are sewn on well that make them very easy to carry around. And they also have extra handles on the sides and the bottom of the bag so you can literally grab them anywhere you need to. They even have these straps on the bottom that make it that you can wear it on your back to free up your hands to carry even more things on moving day. They have really nice quality zippers with this tab that makes them easy to open. And there's not one but two zippers on every bag, so it's always easy to find the opening. They're made of this really strong waterproof material. And each bag has this little spot that you could put in your own label to say exactly what's in the bag so that you can stay organized. They're very easy to stack and pack, and I thought that these would be handy for more than just moving day, but also to use them as storage. Since they're so handy to have for your big move, I highly recommend getting an 8-pack so that you don't run out.